welcome. Thanks for meeting. Thanks for taking the time to interview with Carmela and I today. So I want to ask you about Web Summit
Yeah.
and your experience here. How have you found it so far?
I find it really interesting to meet all these fascinating people, smarter than me. So it's really pushing me through.
Would you say it's giving you more confidence in your own business?
Yeah, it's like yeah, I feel like really small here, but yeah, it gives you more confidence to go through and give it all in Italy. So yeah.
Awesome, awesome. And what do you have like a one takeaway, like one thing that you've learned from any of the meetups or people or anything like that from Web
Yeah.
Summit?
Today, I was not expecting at all like to meet an investor, and we find three investors. Today, one investor came to me. It's like, oh, I think your business is pretty nice, but I have to say your business is too pretty and too empathizing with the patient. I think you are in the wrong place.
Interesting.
So it's like, okay, why? Tell me more about it. And he said, that's it's a huge business. We're talking to this period pain and pelvic pain. It's $1 trillion opportunity for an investor. But if you
Wow.
have this goal to raise $7 million in 5 years, it's like a
Wow.
lot. So he said to me, "Okay, are you sure you want to raise $7 million?" Like, yeah, but I don't know how I can make so much money in so short time. So he said to me, "Are you sure you want to raise your clinic and your business and this bunch of a lot of people like investors?
Yeah.
They don't care about you."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They care about money. Everybody cares
Yeah.
about money.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. So now let's talk about AI. Do you use AI in your business today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We use AI to predict the period pain and the pelvic pain. So we use a lot of AI in our clinic and in the this. It's not an app. It's like a platform. Um, it's dangerous.
Okay.
I know I deal with something that don't have emotion, and they have like we are collecting data,
Yeah.
female data. So they have it's a sort of dangerous thing that you use every single day. You use every single day technology. You use
Yeah.
every single day AI, chatbots, ChatGPT. So it's a lot. You cannot go out without your phone.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Yeah. AI is everywhere right now, right?
yeah.
And so is AI sort of like the backbone of your business right now? Is it like absolutely mandatory for your business?
No, not yet. But I don't know if it is in 1 year.
Okay.
So maybe yeah, but I'm not sure. So you have to be careful with AI. You have to know the good side and bad
The
side. That's what
risks.
you said to
Yeah.
me 2 days ago. You
Yeah.
have to know the
Yes.
bad side and the good side, the
Yes.
dark side, and
Yes.
yeah.
So let's talk about like a risk. Do you know what kind of risks could be out there for using AI then, like today, for your business?
For me or
Yeah,
for my business?
for your business.
For my business, yeah, AI are collecting data and they feed this chatbot, and yeah, they are getting more and more content, more information, more. And you study for 10 years maybe for that, and chatbot not.
In
So
a few minutes, yeah.
that's a
And
huge thing.
so, I mean, especially in your business, if as there's new reports and studies coming out in your business, if there's data online that is incorrect, and then the AI uploads that information as if it were correct, then it could actually be falsely predicting, using
Yeah.
false data in your business. That could be a major risk, right?
You said the right thing, and that's my concern about it,
Yeah.
using AI. Because AI, it's like collecting false information sometimes,
Yeah.
and sometimes not.
Yeah.
So you don't know the truth, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You need
So
that. You need that person, that intervention.
You need to be. I studied 6 years, so I know that this. I know about the pathologist, and I know about medicine, but chatbot not, like AI not. They
Yeah.
are collecting data everywhere.
Yeah.
So if you are not prepared, you don't know.
Yeah. So if you're exactly, so that's what's going to set people in the future, is that if you're solely relying on AI to run your business, what's going to happen is you're not any different than the next guy beside you.
That's true.
Because you're not an
Yeah.
expert. You're just an AI user.
Yeah, you're collecting data.
You're just,
Tuk, tuk, tuk.
and anyone could be doing the same thing. But if you are an expert, now you have that advantage, over the next guy, and AI is a tool, right? So that's great. Now, what would you? So seeing a lot of startup companies over here,
Yeah.
at Web Summit, and hearing a lot about AI, what would you say about, like, do you think that we are in a AI bubble in the marketplace, like in the stock market? Like 25 years ago, there was a web crash, okay, where a lot of
I took physics, so I don't know.
I know,
what.
I know. But so yeah, when you were born, there was a crash. Like big companies raised billions of dollars, and then what happened is everyone realized that they weren't worth as much money as they were reporting and as they thought, as they anticipated. So all these companies started crashing. So would you think that a lot of companies, like, what's your thoughts on companies making millions and billions of dollars? Like, do you think that there could be an AI bubble crash or crash?
Well, that's a difficult question. I see here a website that's full of this AI chatbot, the security, cyber security. I don't know the names, but they are really similar to other startups, right?
Yeah.
And nothing catch me. Like, it's silly.
I know what you mean. There's
They
a lot
are so
similar to each other. They're not. There's
you
not
have
a lot
to
of
differentiate
differentiate.
yourself.
I see.
It's like this billion of market. It's a billion market,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You said it before. So
Yeah.
I don't know about this crash or this. I don't know. It's too new for me. I'm in a new
Whole new world.
Yeah. We use AI for studying. We use AI for everything, like text a message or an email. But it's dangerous.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
have to do it stupid. And sorry, the word stupid
No.
people.
Yeah,
And that's what
yeah.
I
No,
said
you're
to
right.
you 2
Yeah.
days ago. We have to do with stupid people, and that's became a huge problem now.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyone. It's like with AI, anyone can just create a business, make it look just as good as a legitimate business.
right.
Where this legitimate business may not actually know how to, get their product or their service to market as well as some guy that, like myself, knows how to build a website and make it look legitimate, and yet it's just a website, it's just a face, it's just a bunch of words on a screen, versus another company that has actually a real platform, a real business case for them. That's where I'm seeing it, is that there's a lot of companies are just repurposing someone else's business, selling it as themselves, and then trying to raise money on that. And so my view is that there might be somewhat of a market, overhype on a lot of AI companies.
Yeah.
But there is a lot of great uses for AI. So it's not a total market crash. That's what I think. But guess we'll see what happens. So let's talk about your business. How long have you been in business now?
Since I'm 21.
21. So
Yeah.
about 5 years.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's wow. Okay. Yeah.
5 years. Wow. Congrats. Yeah.
Yeah.
You should be creating some content saying, oh my God, I've been doing this for 5 years. Look at me today.
Nobody cares about
It's
me
true.
on Instagram or
It's
TikTok
so
or
true.
that.
Yes, no one. It's
So
that's the
silly.
one thing that I think as a business owner,
It,
no one really
yeah,
cares about you.
no, you're collecting so many haters in this time. I know that it's me against me,
Yeah.
every time. So I learn fast and I know how I can move. So I really really fast.
Mm-hmm.
And if I don't like the situation,
Change it.
change.
Got it. Okay. All right. I think we're wrapping up here. Thanks for meeting with me
Thank
today. It was
you.
great to meet you down here in
Yeah,
Vancouver.
me too.
And I wish you lots of success in the future.
I hope so.